Today is 3rd of August 2025 and the subject of the day is micronutrients. The human body requires a range of nutrients to function, grow, and develop properly. These nutrients are typically categorized into two main groups, macronutrients and micronutrients, based on the amount needed. Macronutrients are the nutrients the body requires in relatively large quantities. The term macro signifies large, comes from Greek word macros, indicating the significant amounts required daily. Unlike micronutrients, other words vitamins and minerals, which are needed in small quantities, the same goes with the term micro, derived from the Greek word mikros, meaning small. Examples of macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which we have discussed already. We'll attach the link at the end of the video if you're curious. For today, we will discuss micronutrients. So here we go. Micronutrients are vital for human health and plays crucial role in countless bodily functions, even though they are only required in small amounts. They include vitamins and minerals, which can be further categorized based on their solubility and amount needed. Vitamins. Your body requires 13 essential vitamins to function, grow, and develop properly. These vitamins are categorized into two groups, water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins. These vitamins dissolve in fat and are best absorbed when consumed with a source of fat. They are stored in the liver and fatty tissues for later use. Examples include vitamin A, D, E, and K. Vitamin A supports vision, healthy skin, mucous membrane, bone and tooth growth, and immune system health. Good sources include egg, milk, carrot, sweet potatoes, spinach, and mangoes. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which needed for strong bones and teeth. It can be found in fatty fish, fish liver oil, fortified milk and cereals, egg yolk, and mushrooms. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, supporting immune system, and helps form red blood cells, found in nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, and fortified cereal. Vitamin K is necessary for proper blood clotting and may also be important for bone health. Rich sources include leafy green vegetables like kale and spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, vegetable oil, and eggs. Water-soluble vitamins. These vitamins dissolve in water and are not readily stored in the body except for vitamin 12. They are flushed out in urine when consumed in excess and requires more frequent replenishment. Vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid, promotes healthy teeth and gums, helps the body absorb iron and maintain healthy tissue, and is essential for wound healing, found in fresh fruit and vegetables, especially citrus fruit. B vitamins are a group of 8 vitamins that play a crucial role in metabolism, energy production, red blood cell formation, and nervous system function. They include thiamine, B1, helps the body's cell convert high carbohydrates into energy and is essential for heart function and healthy nerve system. Sources include pork, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and yeast. Riboflavin, also known as B2, works with other B vitamins important for body growth, red blood cell production, and helps the body break down nutrients for energy. Found in milk, eggs, leafy vegetables, and whole grains. Niacin, also known as B3, helps maintain healthy skin and nerves and is involved in energy metabolism, Sources include meat, peanuts, whole grains, and fish. Pantothenic acid, also known as B5, is essential for the metabolism of food and plays a role in hormones and cholesterol production. It is widespread in foods like liver, meats, milk, eggs, peanuts, and legumes. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, helps form red blood cells, maintaining brain function, and plays a role in proteins involved in many chemical reactions. Found in whole grains, corn, meat, eggs, leafy green vegetables, fish, poultry, nuts, and fruits. Biotin, in other words B7, is essential for metabolism of proteins and carbohydrates and in production of hormones and cholesterol, found in liver, cauliflower, egg, peanuts, chicken, yeast, and mushrooms. Folate, also known as folic acid or B9, works with vitamin B12 to form red blood cells and is needed for DNA production. Crucial for women who are pregnant to reduce the risk of birth defects. Found in leafy green vegetables, legumes, seeds, liver, and fortified food. Last but not least is vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin. It's important for metabolism, helps form red blood cells, and maintain the central and peripheral nervous systems. Found in meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. Minerals are inorganic elements essential for various bodily functions, development, and overall health. They are categorized into two groups based on the amount body requires: major minerals, also known as macrominerals, and trace minerals, also known as microminerals. Major minerals are required in large quantities, typically more than 100 milligrams per day, and plays a vital role in several bodily functions. They include calcium is crucial for strong bones and teeth, blood clotting, muscle contraction, and nerve function. Good sources include dairy products, leafy green vegetables like broccoli, canned fish with bones, and fortified food. Phosphorus is essential for bone and teeth formation, cell growth and repair, energy processing, and maintaining acid-base balance. Sources include meat, fish, poultry, eggs, milk, and cereal products. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of enzyme reactions, muscle contraction, nerve function, blood sugar regulation, blood pressure, and bone health. Good sources are nuts, seeds, whole grains, leafy green vegetables, according to Harvard Health, legumes, and dark chocolate. Sodium maintains fluid balance and blood pressure, assists with nerve impulses and muscle contraction. The main dietary source is salt, but sodium is also present in many processed food, according to Medline Plus. Potassium balances fluids, regulates blood pressure and heartbeat, and it helps muscles to contract. It's found in fruits like bananas and oranges, vegetables like potato and spinach, beans and dairy products. Chloride is an anion, other words negatively charged ion, formed when the element chloride gains an electron. It works with sodium to maintain fluid balance and blood pressure, and is used to make digestive juices. The primary source is salt. Sulfur is important for proteins and enzymes, detoxification, and healthy hair and nails. Found in foods like fish, meat, eggs, poultry, milk, and legumes. Trace minerals, needed in small amounts, typically less than 100 milligrams per day, however, are equally important for health. They include iron, essential for red blood cell formation, oxygen transport in the blood, energy production, and immune function, found in red meat, organ meat, fish, poultry, beans, and fortified food. Zinc supports immune function, wound healing, protein and DNA synthesis, taste and smell, and cell growth and development, found in meat, seafood, whole grains, nuts, dairy products. Copper assists with iron metabolism, red blood cell formation, enzyme function, nerve maintenance, and immune function, found in beans, nuts, seeds, whole grain, and organ meat. Manganese helps form bones and metabolize amino acids, cholesterol, and carbohydrates, found in grains, legumes, seeds, nuts, leafy vegetables, tea, and coffee. Iodine is necessary for thyroid hormone production, which regulates metabolism, growth, and development. Good sources include seafood, seaweed, iodized salt, and dairy products. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, supports thyroid function, reproduction, and DNA synthesis, found in grains, meats, poultry, fish, dairy products, and eggs. Chromium helps body use insulin and maintain normal blood sugar levels. Sources include meat, brewer's yeast, whole grains, nuts, and cheeses. Fluoride is ionic form of element fluorine. It has a chemical formula of F cap F raised to the negative power, meaning it is fluorine atom that has gained an electron, resulting in negative charge. Fluoride is classified as a halide ion according to News Medical. Fluoride is important for bone and tooth development and helps prevent cavities, found in fluoridated drinking water, fish, and tea. Molybdenum activates several enzymes that break down toxins and prevent the buildup of harmful sulfides in the body, found in legumes, whole grains, nuts, leafy greens, milk, and organ meat. Cobalt is an integral part of vitamin B12 and is involved in red blood cell formation and nervous system function, found in animal muscle and liver, shellfish, and crab meat. Thank you for watching this video on micronutrients. If curiosity adventures, explore macronutrients.